Whew. Hey there, folks. Look, I get it. Construction's tough. You got power tools, heavy machinery, stuff falling from the sky, and let's be honest, half of us are just trying to make it to lunch without an oopsie that gets us on our next month's safety video.
But here's the thing. You want to make it home tonight with all your fingers, toes, and dignity intact. Then pay attention to the basics. Like, remember old Jerry? Jerry thought he could eyeball the scaffold. Spoiler alert, the poor guy spent more time hugging the ground than a squirrel in an acorn fight. But hey, lesson learned. Always follow the instructions, my friends. You don't want to end up like old Jerry. Ladders. I mean, how hard is it? 3 points of contact. People, you're climbing a ladder. It's not auditioning for the trapeze at Cirque du Soleil. Then there's Frank. Good old Frank thought a hard hat was just a fashion statement. He didn't realize that it also doubles as a head-saving device. When someone drops a wrench from 3 stories up, don't be like Frank. Wear your gear. It's there for a reason. Because trust me, getting hit in the head with a wrench is not as fun as it sounds. So let's sum it up. Follow the instructions, keep your gear on, and maybe, just maybe, don't use a jackhammer to fix a loose screw. Safety first, folks, because as much as we love Jerry, Frank, and that other guy, you don't want to be the next star of our safety blooper reel. So keep it safe, and let's make it home with our brains intact, yeah? Good talk.